When you're doing nails, do you have any issues with liquid to powder application or shaping or lifting? These are all really great questions. I'm offering classes that I can answer. We can work one-on-one together. My first class that I'm putting on is September 15th in Vancouver. I'm holding this event in the heart of downtown Vancouver in a beautiful hotel. We are gonna have a really great time. You can go to nailcareer.com and press events and find all the workshops that I'm offering. All the information that you need is on my events page, and actually we have it set up. You can just click the ticket and buy it when you're ready. You don't have to have any experience at all. We're going to build a nail from scratch together, and then we're gonna decorate it. I'm gonna supply all the products for you. We're gonna have so much fun. And I'm gonna go around and make sure that each one of us talks about your design and what we can do to change it or different designs. It's gonna be so much fun. Another event is September the 21st to the 23rd. And that is gonna be at my adorable, my heart, my salon in Victoria, BC. You can also go to nailcareer.com, check the events page, and it's listed on there as well. You can buy tickets for that. That's a 3-day event. Again, no experience necessary. And even if you're very experienced and you wanna up those skills, I teach you at all levels. It's very one-on-one, very personal. So I take it to what interests you the most and what you wanna work on personally. Both events will supply lunch. My event in my salon will also supply some breakfast, and all the products that you need are included in the ticket price. Now remember, these events are if you have no experience at all, or if you're a veteran of nails. I can help you at any level. You guys love nails just as much as I do. Together, we'll make beautiful nails. Catch you at the next event or my next video.